Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World with Shubho. In this video, we are going to see how we can install aaPanel on GCP. You can choose any cloud platform. It can be AWS, it can be Oracle Cloud, it can be Azure. Whatever the cloud platform you choose, process is going to be the same. Maybe you are thinking like, what will be the best hosting control panel for my cloud services? I want to create one instance, and over that I want to manage multiple websites. I don't want to go with CLI, like command line, every time I'm giving commands and managing. So I don't want that. I want a smooth platform control panel. So then cPanel would be the best option, right? You might hear it a lot of time, but cPanel is not free. You have to pay for it. But if you are looking for free cloud, free panel, hosting panel, then you can go with cloud. Okay, cloud panel. There is a cloud panel too, so you can go with that. It's a free. And also aaPanel, aaPanel, there are a lot of panel are free, but from my experience and what I experienced and what I feel, that aaPanel is amazing, smooth, and there are a lot of free option. They have their paid version, like you can see here, aaPanel Pro. So they have pro version also, but if you are happy to pay them, like you can go with that. But in free version, free edition have lot of option to do it. So I hope with free edition your need will be fulfilled, and you can see the interface. It's amazing. The experience was amazing. There are a lot of options, like you can easily create SSL certificates from here. But in cloud panel, the options and the interface is little not user friendly, I feel that. But you can try cloud panel and aaPanel. But in this video we are going to see how to install aaPanel on cloud. Okay, so a first step would be to create a virtual machine. So this is a platform that will run on our virtual computer, right? This is a panel, hosting panel, and this panel will divide resources according to the need to our different websites, and it will run on something, right? We need for a computer or a CPU power, like storage and all those, right? So for that we have to create a virtual computer. So very simple. You go with your go to your cloud service provider, and over there you will see for like VM instance, and in AWS EC2 instance, right? So if you go to AWS, you will see EC2 instance. So you know how to create a virtual instance. If you don't know, you just Google it, or you can comment on comment section. I will let you know how you can create virtual machine on that particular platform, right? I will make a separate video on it. So as of now on GCP, you have to go to compute engine. After compute engine, you have to go with VM instance. So after you go to VM instance, VM means virtual machines. So we have to create an instance. So if you create instance, okay, just create instance, and after that you have to name it. Okay, for now I'm just keeping it this one. So you can change it, like if you want to like cloud, not cloud panel, aaPanel. Okay, aaPanel, or you can choose this region. Okay, you can choose in America or Europe or Middle East or Asia. So so whatever, but as of now I will go with US Central 1. Okay, and zone any. Now you have to select for general purpose E2. Okay, so you can choose here from whatever you find okay, but I will go with E2 because the monthly cost will very less for it. But if you choose like balance price and performance, then you will see here the monthly estimate is $50. Okay, so I will not be able to go with the $50 per month, but E2 it will be okay for me. So $25 per month, and I can host multiple website on my panel through my panel. So here you can type your machine type, okay, E2 medium, or if you go with the standard one, then you can see 2 CPU, okay, virtual CPU and 8 GB memory if you shared code, and you can see here. So I will go with medium one, micro, I will go with medium one, okay. So you can choose from here whatever you want, so you can see. And if you want like standard one, then you can see like E2 standard, okay, 2 CPU, virtual CPU and 8 GB memory, okay. And you can see the monthly estimate. So I will simply go with the shared code and E2 micro, small, medium. So I will not go with the micro, it will be very less, so I will go with the medium one. And if you go with the advanced configuration, so you don't have to do anything. And now OS and storage section, we have to change the OS, and like you can change the OS, like it's now Debian. I will go with Debian. So if you want Ubuntu, you can go with Ubuntu, but I will suggest go with Debian, and go with Debian 12, okay. Go with Debian 12. And now the storage I will increase up to 50, okay. I need 50 GB storage. And now, yeah, here you can see, and the estimate around $30 per month. And networking, allow HTTP traffic and allow HTTPS traffic, allow load balancer health check. And now in network tag, put aaPanel, okay, aaPanel. Then yeah, from here you can go with it and select IPv4 single panel, okay. Now you have to go with reserve static external IP address and name it aaPanel, okay. And we will reserve an external IP address. Yeah, so here is it. So it will be IPv4 IP stack type, okay, IPv4, and everything will be by like the default one. And you just have to simply reserve the external IP. And now you have to go with observability, and you don't have to do anything with it. Security, everything is okay. And advanced sections, everything is okay. Now just simply create, okay. So it's going to cost us like $30 per month, like estimate one, but if you don't use that much, it will not cost you. But yeah, so we have to wait for it until it got configured. So as you can see, like we are done with creation or virtual machines instance. So now what you have to do, we will not use any apps to to connect with our virtual machine. We will simply connect through this SSH from here, okay. So we will connect through SSH to our virtual machine instance, and we're not gonna use any external applications for it. So just simply you have to click on SSH, and here you will see it's connecting with our virtual machines, okay. And we'll wait for it, and yeah, you have to authorize. And here you can see, so now we clear it, okay. And if you click, there is nothing, okay. So you have to log in as a root, so you have to type sudo su root, okay, sudo su root. So you have login as a root user, okay. That is the command, and you have to put. And now what we have to do, we have to now put the commands to install our aaPanel. So for that, let keep it inside and open this aaPanel website. So if you come here and install aaPanel free edition, click over that, and here you can see there are instructions how we can install it. And you can see here aaPanel Pro Edition install script, but we don't want to Pro Edition. You can purchase Pro Edition later, but as of now we will go with the free edition. So free edition, just copy this one. Okay, just copy this one, and you can give your email ID for lifetime free version. Okay, so that you can access lifetime freely, you don't have to do with anything with it. So okay, and here you can see like how you can manage and other things, and all things are written here. Okay, so you can just go with it, but as of now we will not. So we will now simply paste this and hit enter. Okay, do you want to install aaPanel to this directory? Yes, and it's boom. Okay, so just wait for it, just a single line command you have to provide and good to go. And if you go to the websites on the official website, there you can see lot of commands how to manage all those things, so you can refer that website for future reference, like what command you have to provide. So I will show you how you can open the command for aaPanel for other like password recovery and other stuff also. So no worries. And is there anything like you are facing or in future you may face? So if you don't know how to resolve that, just comment me in comment section. I will be happy to help you on that. So yeah, comment box always open for that. So yep, now just we are waiting for it. Let's see. So it's very simple, you know, like you just have to give the command and just simply log in as a root and let's hit that command. And yeah, it's installing. So we are almost done, and as you can see, it's have created our username, and yeah, so here you can see aaPanel internal address. Okay, so now what I want to share that, like if you can't access that like through this, you have to just allow your firewall, like you have to create your firewall rules. Okay, firewall rules, how we can create. So I will simply show you, but let's try to access this. Okay, if you can't access, like just simply change your firewall rules, and yeah, as you can see, like we can't access, right? And it's because we haven't created our firewall rules. Okay, So we have to create that. So for that you have to go with BPC network, then firewall, okay. Then you have to go to create firewall rule, and now name it aaPanel, okay, aaPanel, and everything okay. Everything is, just keep the default, and in tag just put aaPanel, and now allow all, okay. Now just this is the thing, now allow all and create, okay. Make sure you click to continue, okay. Just a minute, and yeah, we have to source IPv4 range 0.0.0/0, okay. This is what you have to put, and hit enter and create. Now let's wait for a few seconds, and here you can see our aaPanel firewall rule is created. Now let's try to access again. Yeah, as you can see here, your connection is not private, so you don't have to worry about it. It's like the basic thing we got from Chrome, and just simply advance and proceed with this and so on, okay. And here you can see we are done with panel, okay. Now you might be thinking, what will be the account and password? Here you can see, like, we have got, this is our username, this is the temporary one, we can change after login. So this is the account, okay, and after that this is the password, okay. This is the password, and hit login. Login succeed, and here, so here you can see, okay. So if, like, here they are asking, recommended, like in Nginx, MySQL, PHP, and all those things will be installed, okay. So just click one click, okay, and they will install one by one. And here you can see from message books, you can see, like, they are installing all those things on your this aaPanel, okay. Skip. As of now, you can create a account for it, like the email you have provided, just simply create a account. And as of now I am going to skip it, and here you can see the free one I'm using, and you can purchase the pro version. And here you can see, like, you can access terminal, your cloud terminal from here you can see, okay. You can, like, if you click BT, this is will open your BT terminal, okay. So from here you can't access because it's a internal terminal, so you have to access this aaTerminal menu from your, like, cloud terminal, okay. But a lot of things you can do from this terminal. And the mail server are there. Here you can see, like, mail server, you can create a mail server, and you can install. There are a lot of plugins in, they have app store. So here you can see a lot of things are paid and a lot of things are free one. And files, monitor, okay. So you can monitor your website, security, Docker also was there, FTP, like if you have created FTP, okay. So if, then you can create your FTP username and password, all that. So during your creation you can choose, like, you will create FTP server or not. So like, here is a PHP project, okay. So add website, you can add website, create a site. So you can simply create a website from here, and here is a PHP, okay, PHP static, or whatever the version you want to choose. Then if you want batch create, then you can create from here. Then yeah, you can deploy WordPress site from here, like if you can select ftp not installed. Okay, so first you have to install ftp, then you have to install database like mysql, then you can install the WordPress. You have to give your domain name without www dot, okay, that subdomain, this is the subdomain www, without www. You have to put your domain name like mydomain.com, mydomain.in, mydomain.net, you have to put over there. Then your website title, then language you have to select, then PHP version. All right now we don't have install, we didn't have the install PHP. So when PHP will be done, like the first we have clicked, right? So it's installing in backend, but when it will be done, you can see here the PHP version. You can select whatever the version you want. Then from username you want a WordPress backend user, so just your admin username and admin password. Okay, so if it's a weak password like 12345, then allow weak password. Without that you can't, if you don't check out this box, then you can't create with weak password. Okay, then the email id you are going to provide, it's provide the email id that administrator email id. Okay, so admin email id that your WordPress site going to use, that email id you have to provide and then confirm. So you can then create the WordPress website, like multiple WordPress website, like many WordPress website you can click within a single click. Okay, so it's a very amazing interface, amazing platform, amazing hosting panel. So just do check it out how it's feel like. Here, from here you can see like the load status, CPU usage, RAM usage, lot of things you can do. And you can purchase the pro version if you are like happy to pay with it, like like it's going to benefit you, going to provide you some values, then why not? You can purchase the pro version, or you can try, if you willing to pay, then you can try cPanel, and also you can try aaPanel. So those things was there. Okay, so from setting we can do lot of things. From setting you can see here, like you can bind a domain. From that domain you can access this panel. Like here you can see this is the IP address, like from where it's we are like accessing this panel, right? You don't want this like IP address, you want some domain to bind with this IP address. So then you can type that domain like mydomain.com, then save. After that you will be like it will be automatically closed and you will be outside of this panel. And after that you have to go that domain and to access this. Okay, and make sure the port number, you note that port number. Without that port number you can't access. So make sure you know the port number, note down the port number, and here you can put your domain name. Okay, so and make sure that in your DNS like domain DNS management, like whatever you are using, service using for your domain management, DNS management, it could be a Cloudflare or it could be your Namecheap, Hostinger, GoDaddy DNS management. Just go domain DNS management and put a record. Okay, put a record, and in a record, like in the name section, in the value section, in the name section, there will be, you have to put @, and in the content section you just like put your virtual machine's IP address, external IP address, like here you can see like compute engine virtual machine, and you can see here like this is the external IP. This IP address copy and just put a record over there. Okay, so just simply a record you have to put, and then good to go. Then save this, otherwise you can't access. And if you unfortunately got locked, like I have binded that but I can't access through my domain, because it gonna need some time to that record going to be public. So if you can't access and do you think like I have done some mistakes with records, then just simply come your like cloud provider and click on SSH. Okay, SSH and cloud SSH, then open this terminal, and in that terminal just clear everything. Just give a command BT. Okay, what BT will pop all the menu options for your aaPanel. So just put BT, and here you can see there are 28 options that you can control your aaPanel. So like restart the panel, stop the panel, reload the panel, change panel password, username. If you forget by mistake, change panel port number. So port number you want to change like BT8. Okay, like no, not BT8. Okay, I want to change. Please enter new panel port. So I want this panel to open in port number 8888. Okay, and you can see rule added and firewall reloaded and changes port success. Okay, so now in this port you can access, like you have to give your that IP address. After that, this port number, you can access this aaPanel. And if you have like that domain binding, you know, you binded the domain but you can't access right now, then you want the previous, you want to access through IP, then BT12. Okay, BT12, then it will be cancelled. Okay, executing, and the domain limit cancelled. Okay, domain binding was cancelled. Now you can access through that IP address. So make sure that you have put a record with that IP address, and it will take some time to, you know, to bind with it. So give some time. After that, try to access through that domain. You will able to access that aaPanel through your domain. So I hope you got to know how to do these things, how to install aaPanel, how to manage lot of websites, and from this panel now you can create lot of websites like WordPress websites and any node projects, you know, and any Docker things you want to install on this your virtual machine. It will handle each and everything. So a lot of things are there. Just explore, you will get to know. I hope this video going to be really helpful. You find this video helpful, and is there anything that you want to know, please let me know in the comment section. I will happy to help you guys. And is there any request on some topic related to clouds and this hosting domains, please make sure to comment in comment section. I will happy to make a separate video on that topic in future. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button, and share with your friends as much as you can and with your colleagues, so that they can also manage a lot of WordPress website in a single cloud. It will, you know, if you are paying a lot of money, then it will reduce that, and plus the performance you will get through cloud, it will be amazing. So I hope this video going to be helpful for you. So this is the end of this video. Until then, we will meet in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye, tata, take care.